Exercise number 1, butt kicks. Jog in place and kick your heels up toward your glutes. Keep your chest up, stay light on your feet, and move those legs quickly. This gets your heart rate up and loosens your hamstrings. Let's go. Exercise number 2, high knees. Run in place while driving your knees up to waist height. Keep your arms pumping, core tight, and move fast. Feel the energy, this one fires up your legs and burns calories fast. Exercise number 3, jumping jacks. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then return to the start. Keep a steady rhythm, land softly, and stay light. Great for boosting your heart rate and warming up your whole body. Exercise number 4, star jump. Start in a squat position, then jump explosively, spreading your arms and legs wide like a star. Land softly and go right into the next rep of power, control, and full body energy. You've got this. Exercise number 5, burpees. Finish strong with burpees. Drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, then jump up with your hands overhead. Keep the pace steady, this one's tough, but it works your whole body. Push through the burn.